5.2. Clock it.
Guys, imagine imeisha.
1 semester to go. Hopefully. Yay.
Semester 15.
Yes, semester 14 done. Nobody can understand the struggle.
Like I said. Survive.
Imagine studying for what? Exam. And tell me where I read malaria in this semester. Nowhere. But they still brought it. And what can we do? Napenda venye sun kiss and my hair just looks the dready guys.
Nafanya nimalize this sport. Mbona ilikuwa sun kiss? Just go. Zikisha. By the way, zikisha.
Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. At Mrs. Nafula. So anyway, I think yesterday or something I did my hair. That's how my hair looks, and I'm so proud. Like, yes, and also did my nails. Well, these are my original nails, and I'm so proud. Anyway, so today, I'm bored. I'm already done with my exams, my 5.2 exams, and okay, my hair is a bit dirty. Yeah, so I wanted to show you our room. Yes, so in this room we stay 2 people. When I was in first year, we used to be 4 people in a room. Then decided to move to 2 people hostel. And yeah, so I guess it's been 3 years in this hostel, and I think I don't know, nakaa kama mtu mbaya, but kind of customize this room to like give off more of my vibe than my roommates. Well, I think it does not interest her to like put things on the walls, and I don't know, she's just good with life. So yeah, I'm glad and happy to have such a roommate. So I have decided to show you guys my room. Feeling nice. So yeah. Lakini jamani, na feel kama my forehead is just so big. Anyway, apart from showing you my room, tutakuwa tukipanga closet yangu. Ikai vibaya hivyo sana. Things are like perfect the way they are. But perhaps I'll just panga tena. Na naona ni kama it's about to rain, so I might as well just go for the rest of my clothes and my friends' clothes. Yeah, ameenda home. Unaamua. Na basi nitaenda home baadaye. Sipangi na haraka kwenda home hivyo. So yeah, perhaps I'll just show you my room and then go get my clothes. And then anywho, so when you get into a room, this is how it looks like. A duster. This thingy that we need to like get rid of utensils. I don't know, this room just needs a lot of grace and mercy to survive. So it's looking extremely bad on the extreme end. But anyway, so then we have like a tire study table. So I was eating, and to me, I think eating is work. I eat to live. If I had a chance, then I wouldn't. But anyway, it's my beautiful bottle. Yep. Want to pause for a minute. Then we have some water. Then here we have a closet situation, or this is how the closets for Maseno University, specifically for this hostel, look like. Yeah, there is another hostel that looks much better, but it's a bit expensive. So, and I was finishing school. There was no need to like ask to move to that hostel. But anyway, so yeah, this is my closet. That's where. Then this is my roommates. Yes. So nitajaribu nipange. And then hizi ni ma wallpapers. This is all about me. Do mimi hapa. We have a camera where we can see ourselves every morning. So man, imagine kutoka kwenda pahali na hujui venye unakaa. At least to confirm that kila kitu iko sawa. A flat earth that we try to work on every time. But anyway, Wi-Fi situation. So whoever we paid for Wi-Fi hakunini, I don't know, alifika pahali ama the second day, and then he's like, oh, just a lot of complications, and I guess we only enjoyed the Wi-Fi for a month, and that was it. Yeah, it's kind of hard when you have a project and then that's the Wi-Fi situation. So yes, we have like pink everywhere, and like this is my bed. So I think in campus we call it piloting. So I pilot. Then that's my name on that kabag with a flower, rose that dried. There is beauty in dried roses. You can see. We have all these wallpapers. This, and then a welcome thingy. We have this one. This is my whatever. What do you say? Pray, read the Bible, and like I don't know, use some encouraging bits. And then this is also part of my life. This is my business card. And yep. Then we also have a small mirror over here. So there was a time the table used to be on this side, and then we got tired. 3 years in a room, we got tired, so we decided to like move to this side. Yes. And yeah, looks so nice. So this is one side of my life, and this is also another side of my life that I like very much. I call this one my dad's side and then my mom's side. So I'm a combo, and I'm very proud of myself. Yeah, can be all that. So yeah, at least I don't have to stress about my nails and my hair. Anywho, so yeah, that's how pathetic looking, and these are my bags. Oh god. The bag situation needs prayers. But anyway, these are our grab-on sweaters when you want to get out. This one is the one that I use the most because I don't know, I just walk around looking like I came from the bed. But yeah, it's nice. So I used to have this. I don't know. So yeah, here goes our house tour. I don't know, but we don't live like girls. I mean, this is just our situation, and we don't care because the situation is temporary. Yeah, all these things, kuna vitu tutacha, kuna vitu tutaendelea nazo. I mean, tunaishi tu shule, no hard feelings. Then ka ring light. Me and my investments. Anyway, ndio hiyo ring light yangu. Yeah. Nashangaa hapa kwa hiyo room watu wanasomanga aje. My roommate prefers the bed, I prefer the seat. But she can have the table if she wants, but she chooses not to, so it's fine. And then that's how my closet looks like. There you put your own stuff. Then yep. Yeah, shopping. It's the end of the semester. Mbona mtu akona shopping mingi hivyo? Yeah, and then to viatu. Bora umevaa. Viatu imesonga ba. Maisha ni hayo. Anyway, those are my shoes. That's all about our room. So yeah, wacha nijaribu nipange. Sijui kama nitarekodi kila kitu. Ndio simu yangu. But anyway, tutajaribu kufanya ili tuaje ya kuweka speed. But yeah. So yeah, that's why I've been staying for the past almost 3 years. Now we just have one semester. One semester. You know. E A Emwe Dala. One semester. And also, I decided to learn Chinese all by myself using Duolingo. And I just today I finished the first section. Section 1 has got 10 units. So I finished and I'm so proud of myself. At least I've been keeping my streak alive. And yeah, I'm so proud of myself. So, si vous voulez parler le français, if you want to speak French, ou you want to Chinese. Wojao, Nafula, Daisy, what the fang. Okay, guys, nikumoto, but yeah. And this thing of content creation ni kitu inanibamba tu sana, like kufanya fanya hivi na kujiongeleza. So imagine nilikuwa tu ndani ya room and then decided to people that I will never see or I will see them, then I just decided to like talk to people and like do my things. I don't know, but yeah, inanibamba sana, so something that I would want to do. Yeah, just record this journey called life. Yes, have my own movie to watch. Yes, so yeah, let's panga the things. Oh, forget about how messy it is. So first, I'm going to like arrange my clothes, fold them. Hopefully, I will make like a time lapse or something. But first, I want to fold my clothes. Then, like, I will remove everything from my closet, put outside, then rearrange. When the closet is done, that's when I'll see what's the plan for this room. But yeah, tukongiwa chafu, we are very clean people. Just a small space. Yeah. Oh, we should be able to manage, but it's still a small space. Yeah. Um, yeah. This.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight.
Anywho, so well, I took a break. I'm gonna talk stronger. So sahii nimemaliza exam, I can do that peacefully. So yeah, nimekuja nikamsonga nikamaliza, so nikaendelea kunja mango. Sasa hii nataka nione what can we do about our closet. I'm not going to do much, eh? Maybe rotate the clothes. Nisikujuje ndi chini na chini sikuje juu. Yeah, so A long time ago, my dad used to beat me for climbing trees. Now see the importance of that kind of exercise that I did. Oopsie. Yeah, I'm short and sometimes I have to climb things. Yeah, so it was really a nice practice. Too bad it came in canes. If you've watched my vlog to this very end, I would like to say thank you very much. And thank you to our 3 new subscribers. Yay! Welcome to the family and God bless you. I promise this journey is going to be nice. So thank you and welcome to my community. I love you. Continue liking, sharing, and subscribing. Ciao.